Hello again, and welcome to the Armchair Educator. I'm David Howell. Today I've got some fairly interesting things to bring you up to speed on. I've made quite a few changes to this file since we last saw it. Mainly I did it so that I could streamline the process of showing you what's been done. First of all, I decided that the introductory screen that I had, or the first slide, I really didn't like. That's this one here. This is my other channel. It really doesn't fit on this particular channel. So I did a little bit of manipulation, and I made this. Granted, I did this in another application, but to be honest with you, if you're going to get into video editing, more than likely you're also going to need to use some kind of image manipulation software. Hopefully you've got some experience with that. If not, there are some pretty easy packages out there that you can use. But in any case, I made a new introductory slide for the beginning of this video. Then I went ahead and did all the edits that I needed to do on the timeline. Now what you'll see down here, each one of these little black vertical lines is an edit or a cut that I've put into the original clips all the way through. Now most of these were just to remove a second or two of silence, or someone said or oh, or my wife has a bad habit of saying so quite a bit, so I sometimes try to cut those out. And then at the end, I went ahead and put this same slide in again, this one, at the end, just to show the beginning and the end of the particular program. Right now, it runs 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Now, it was well over 6 minutes when I started, so I have cut out a fairly significant portion. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I've not done anything else yet other than the edits. I next will go back in and I will put in some transitions between some of the segments so that the movement from one clip to the next, or from one scene to the next, is a little smoother. And after that, I will then put in some sound files. So there'll be a little bit of music at the beginning and a little bit at the end. And again, this I have pre-prepared because it's something I routinely use. So I have set up small sound recordings that are free to use, royalty-free. They come to me from the YouTube library, so there's no copyrights, infringements, anything of that sort. But for the moment, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to put some music in and a little bit of a few finishing touches on that, and I will show you how that goes on the next video. Thanks for watching. I do hope you'll subscribe. As I've said before, this is a limited series. Hopefully we'll all learn something. I know I'm learning things as I go along here because I'm having to go check how to do things to explain them to you properly. So, hope you'll come back. Bye-bye.